Hi, boys and girls. Today we are going to talk about the clock. So let's review a little bit. So we know that the shorthand is called the hour hand, and the long hand is called the minute hand. And we know that when the minute hand, the long hand, is at the 12, that means o'clock. So the time on this clock is 3 o'clock because the hour hand is pointing at the 3 and the minute hand is at the 12. And then I can change it to this time. And so I would read this as 4 o'clock because the hour hand is pointing to the 4 and the minute hand is pointing at the 12. And sometimes the minute hand can point to the 6. And when the minute hand is pointing to the 6, that means 30 minutes. So I would read this time as 4:30 because the minute hand is on the 6. And let's take a look at the hour hand. So the hour hand is between the 4 and the 5, but I know it's 4 because the hour hand is past the 4. So this is 4:30. Let's do another one. So this time is 6:30 because the minute hand is at the 6, and that means 30, and the hour hand is between the 6 and the 7. And so I know it's not 7:30 because the hour hand isn't past 7. It's past 6. So it is 6:30. And these dashes that you see around this clock, those are minutes. So this dash is 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 4 minutes, 5 minutes. And if we were to keep going, 6 minutes, 7 minutes, 8 minutes, 9 minutes, 10 minutes. And there are 60 minutes on this clock. And a faster way to count the minutes is skip counting by fives. So this 1, we would say 5 because there are 5 dashes. So this would be 5, and there are 5 dashes between the 1 and the 2. So the 2 would be 10. So we have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, and what's this one? 60. Good job. And so, like I said, when the minute hand is on the 6, that means 30. So let's do another one. Okay. So what time is it? Well, let's talk it through. I know that the long hand is pointing to the 6. So that means the minute is 30. Now I need to figure out what hour it is. So let's see. The hour hand is between 8 and 9. But I know it's not 9 because the hour hand isn't pointing past the 9. It's past the 8. So I would read this as 8:30. Let's do another one. What time is it? You're right. It's 11 o'clock because the minute hand is pointing at the 12 and the hour hand is pointing exactly at the 11. What time is it now? Good job. It's 12:30 because the minute hand is pointing at the 6 and the hour hand is between 12 and 1, but the hour hand is past 12. So it's 12:30. Good job, boys and girls. For today's math assignment, you are going to complete a Google Slides and you are going to click and drag the correct time. All right, have fun, first graders.